Okay, let's talk about something I think a lot of us feel. That just dragging feeling, the fatigue, maybe low energy, or just feeling like you're not really firing on all cylinders.
Oh, absolutely. Waking up tired, feeling a bit off. It's incredibly common.
Right. And it often feels like it's just something you have to live with, but maybe it signals something deeper.
Exactly. And that's where the approach is changing now in wellness. It's less about just patching symptoms, more about finding the why. Optimal Clinic USA really leans into this.
Optimal Clinic USA, right? The online wellness clinic.
Yeah. Our whole mission is basically helping people get their health back, their well-being, by looking at those root causes.
That sounds like a much needed shift. So for our deep dive today, let's explore that. How places like Optimal Clinic USA are offering, well, real solutions online, right from home. How does this actually differ from, say, a typical doctor's visit?
Well, the big difference I'd say is the depth. Instead of maybe a quick 10-minute chat focused on one symptom, we do a really comprehensive evaluation.
Comprehensive how? Like, what does that involve?
It means looking at detailed lab work, really understanding your lifestyle, your history, getting into your specific biochemistry. We're not just handing out a standard prescription.
Okay.
The goal is a personalized plan. We often find underlying things like hormone imbalances or maybe metabolic issues that need addressing. And we're doing this specifically for folks in San Diego, Orange County, and Riverside County right now. It's about creating solutions that stick,
Yeah,
not just quick fixes.
that makes a lot of sense, especially the hormone part. It feels like hormones are kind of the hidden puppet masters behind so much of how we feel day to day, don't they?
They really are, yeah. Take hormone replacement therapy, HRT, for women. It's a perfect example of getting to the root cause.
Right.
We're talking about restoring balance, estrogen, progesterone, maybe others, and that can make a huge difference for things like hot flashes, mood swings, that constant fatigue.
And it goes beyond just those main symptoms.
Oh, definitely. Better sleep, healthier skin, just feeling more emotionally stable. It's all connected, and importantly, when it's supervised, properly monitored, it's very safe and effective.
Okay. And for men,
hmm
is there a similar approach? I feel like we hear more about low testosterone TRT lately.
We do, and it's just as impactful. So many men experience that, crushing exhaustion, maybe zero motivation, finding it harder at the gym.
Yeah.
So our TRT programs, which are always medically supervised, aim to bring those testosterone levels back into an optimal range.
And the goal there is.
It's about getting that energy back, boosting confidence, helping with muscle growth, even mental clarity, and yes, improving libido and performance too. It's really about restoring that fundamental vitality.
It sounds like you're hitting on these core health issues that maybe people don't even connect the dots on or realize there are personalized treatments for. What else do you commonly address?
Well, there are quite a few things. For instance, erectile dysfunction, ED, it's common, obviously sensitive, but very treatable. Our treatments are safe, personalized, and effective. We look beyond just blood flow, considering the underlying factors to really improve performance and satisfaction. And, the whole process is discreet, online, meds shipped right to the door.
That convenience factor seems huge for sensitive issues.
It is. And then there's weight loss. Our programs aren't just eat less, move more. We look at hormones again, metabolism, nutrient deficiencies, things that might be blocking progress.
So a more sustainable approach.
Exactly. Sustainable change leading to better energy, better mood, not just a number on the scale. We also help with hair loss solutions for men and women that can really impact confidence.
Understandably.
So we offer things like medical injections, topical treatments, all tailored. And finally, something like vitamin and amino acid injections.
Like for a quick boost.
Sort of, but it's more targeted. It's direct nutrient delivery, so your body absorbs it fast. Great for energy, yes, but also immune function, muscle recovery, brain health, even supporting weight loss goals by filling specific gaps.
Okay, so pulling this all together, the real value seems to be that combination. Highly personalized care, targeting the root cause, but delivered conveniently online with treatments that actually produce results.
That's it, exactly. And getting started is designed to be straightforward. It usually begins with an online consultation.
Okay.
That helps us figure out what lab work, if any, is needed. Based on everything, we create that personalized plan. Meds come discreetly from licensed U.S. pharmacies.
You don't just send the meds and disappear.
No. Crucially, there's ongoing support and monitoring. We check in, adjust things if needed. That follow-up is key to making sure it works safely and effectively.
So the main message here, it sounds like, is that you really don't have to just accept feeling okay or meh as your baseline.
Right.
Imagine, waking up actually feeling rested, having energy throughout the day, feeling confident. What would that mean?
It's a powerful thought. And taking that step to understand your own health proactively, it's incredibly empowering.
Yeah.
Especially when you have expert guidance to make it safe and achievable. So, if you're tired of feeling less than your best, maybe it's time to think about taking control. Optimal Clinic USA is coming soon, so keep an eye out for their launch. It sounds like real solutions for real people aiming for real results.
Definitely something to watch.
We'll catch you on the next deep dive.